This is How to Minwax. We're going to show you how to use our maintenance and repair products. These tools can help you easily restore and repair projects to a just finished appearance. Minwax Blend Fill are perfect for easy touch-ups on scratches and nail holes in stained and finished wood. They're a quick, no-mess way to maintain the beauty of your surface. Blend Fill pencils are formulated to match Minwax wood finish stains and come in a variety of colors. Work your pencil into the nail hole, scratch, or other small imperfection. Wipe off the excess with a rag, and you have a durable repair that's virtually undetectable. Our easy-to-use wood finish stain markers apply actual stain to quickly touch up nicks and scratches on furniture, moldings, cabinets, floors, and other wood surfaces. Just shake the marker well for at least 30 seconds. Then remove the cap. Depress the tip gently a few times on scrap paper or wood to get the real Minwax wood finish stain flowing. Apply it to the wood and wipe the excess with a cloth. Replace the cap tightly after use and store the marker on its side. Our color-matched wood filler is a ready-to-use formula that's perfect for repairing cracks, nail holes, and other defects in all types of finished or unfinished indoor or outdoor wood surfaces. To use it, just start with clean, dry wood. Use a putty knife to apply the product liberally to the affected area. After 5 minutes, you can remove any excess with a clean, damp rag. Let the wood filler dry for 2 to 6 hours, depending on the depth of the patch. Minwax Wood Putty is a non-hardening, pre-mixed putty that covers small holes and other minor imperfections in painted, stained, and finished wood. It is permanent and bonds well to wood. Plus, it's color-matched to Minwax wood finish stains. Make sure you've already stained and applied top coat before using the putty. Your surface must be clean and dry. Then just press the putty into the imperfections. Wipe the excess from surrounding areas with a damp cloth. And there you have it. Quick, easy ways to maintain and repair your wood surfaces that also ensure you enjoy simple process, seamless results. Thanks for watching.